Hi everyone, thank you so much for tuning in and for watching this video blog. Now today's video is a handbag review. It's a handbag of the JW PEI, or is it JW PEI? Whichever is the right way to say it, please leave a comment down below and let me know. I purchased this bag from Amazon. I've been seeing it all over social media. I've seen it on Instagram, I've seen it on TikTok, I've seen it on YouTube. I was like, okay, let's see what the hype is about. So I purchased mine from Amazon and I got it for 30% discount. And it was literally like next day delivery. So yeah, it arrived yesterday and I'm going to do an initial review of this bag. Now it comes in a box, of course. It came in a box and it comes in this dust bag. I think this is a satin dust bag. The bag that I got is the top handle bag. I'll leave the name and the link to this bag in the description box below. I got mine in the black. I wanted it in the olive, however, that was completely sold out. Sold out on the website, sold out on Amazon. So yeah, I was like, you know what, let's go for the next color, which is black, and black goes with everything. And I needed a top handle bag that comes with a strap, because this one comes with a strap that I can wear during the autumn time and that can fit on top of my coats. Yeah, it's in the vegan leather, black obviously, and it's got the gold hardware. The feel of the bag is that it's really nice and it's soft. However, please be aware that this is not real leather, this is vegan leather. So just bear that in mind when you purchase this bag. The zips are really, really great. I've seen some reviews on Amazon, people saying that the zip broke. I currently haven't experienced that. I mean, I've only had the bag for 48 hours, so I may come back and give a wear and tear review. And then in the inside, it's got like this velvety material inside, which is really nice. And it's got like a little pocket there, which also has the vegan leather, which is also made of the vegan leather as well. So nice little pockets to put your little cards and things like that in there. However, it's very roomy in there and it fits a lot. I can fit my lip gloss, I can fit my mirror, I can fit, you know, that little compact mirror, I can fit that in there, a little perfume in there, and some tissues, some gum, and also my phone, and I'm good to go. So yeah, I'm very, very excited on wearing this bag. And I guess I'll give you guys an update on how it wears and tears. And the straps at the back, this I really like. I like how it's designed because it makes it easy to wear crossbody. Because to wear it like this, it flops. As you can see, it flops like this. However, when you wear it crossbody, it's likely to stand. So I would like to believe they designed this with the mind of either carrying it as a top handle or wearing it crossbody because of where the straps are positioned. Because usually you get straps being put on the top there. So it's actually nice to see them positioned there. And I guess it also helps if you've got quite a lot of things that are weighing the bag down, that it doesn't put stress on the top of the bag. So in that aspect, the design, they really thought it through. So yeah, very excited to wear this bag and letting you know how it goes. Thank you so much for tuning in and for watching this video. If you've made it this far, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, bye guys.